Here comes the World Heavyweight Champion, Roman Reigns. And tonight Roman Reigns is very angry. But the biggest question is, who will become the victim of Roman Reigns tonight? Is it Oba Femi or Jacob Fatu? Let's find out. But Roman Reigns is looking towards his next victim. And look at Roman Reigns. He is definitely very angry. We saw Roman Reigns this angry after a long time. But who is standing in front of Roman? Oh, that's Jacob Fatu. Oba Femi is safe tonight, but not Jacob Fatu. Fans are chanting for Roman Reigns. OTC, OTC, OTC. And Roman Reigns is fired up. He is ready to destroy Jacob Fatu and teach him a lesson. Jacob Fatu just did too much wrong. And for him, there is no way back. Let's fight. OTC versus the Samoan Werewolf. The king of WWE versus a monster who wants the World Heavyweight Championship. Superman punch got caught into Tongan death grip. And here comes Jey Uso with a super kick to Jacob Fatu. No effect. Another super kick. May get the job done. Oh, a spear out of nowhere. Uso splash. This may help Roman. The Usos are not done yet. One day, as they knew that Jacob Fatu is a monster. And to destroy him, you need so many signatures and finishers. In big trap, Jacob Fatu hits a Superman punch from the king of WWE. And now, the former tag team champions with a double super kick. Another Superman punch. Fatu got rocked and shocked as the bloodline is working together against him. Another super kick. And now Reigns roars. And also the arena was roaring with him. A massive spear by the OTC. Jacob Fatu got victimized and destroyed. And now Oba Femi making his entrance. Oh, that's a beast. Brock Lesnar. Brock Lesnar was retired at WrestleMania 42 after losing to Oba Femi, but tonight Brock Lesnar returned. He came out of retirement and destroying Oba Femi. One more F5. Yes, sir. Brock Lesnar not showing any mercy for Oba Femi. Oba Femi, after defeating Brock Lesnar at WrestleMania, thought that he is the new beast of WWE. But Brock Lesnar laughing at Oba now. Brock Lesnar shocked everyone. And now the beast is leaving. And now what is happening inside the ring? Oh, that's Logan Paul who was attacking Seth. And here comes Angelo Dawkins to save Seth Rollins. And now the numbers game has begun. Austin Theory, the pressure, putting some pressure on Angelo Dawkins. Logan and Austin working together, destroying Angelo Dawkins. And when Dawkins in trouble, there is a friend of him who always saves him, Montez Ford. Paul was looking for the pulverizer. Montez Ford said, "Suck it, baby," and puts him down with a step up enziguri. And now Montez Ford firing up. Takes out Logan and Austin with an incredible dive at ringside. What's just happening? Oh, here comes Seth Rollins, the visionary. Comes to the eyes of Braun Breaker. A clothesline. Rocks the human missile. Oh, Logan Paul distracting Seth Rollins. He hits him with a kick. But Braun Breaker hits Seth Rollins with a human missile tornado spear. What a monster. Braun Breaker is the true future of WWE. But right now the future is looking to destroy the now. The Vision has some different plans for Seth Rollins. I'm sure they don't have the good intentions for the Visionary. Oh no. That can end the career of Seth Rollins now. Braun Breaker is looking to crush Seth freaking Rollins in between two steel steps. Oh no. The referees and officials are looking to stop Braun Breaker. And they took the steps away from Braun Breaker. Otherwise, Breaker would have destroyed Seth Rollins' in-ring career tonight. And now Finn Balor is also looking to do the same to JD McDonough. Oh, but this idiot, dirty Dominic Mysterio interrupted in this match, and now JD McDonough is taking the advantage of the situation. Superplex. What a moment. And now JD McDonough dragging himself and cover. Kick out by Balor. Everybody is shocked. So do Dirty Dom and JD. And now Finn Balor with a kendo stick punishing JD McDonough. Finn Balor is fired up. The Prince in total control right now. And now the Prince holds the table inside the ring. And now the Prince takes out JD. Incredible move by Finn Balor. And now Balor is feeling it. Everybody is in support of the Prince here. At WrestleMania, Demon defeated Dominic, and tonight the Prince is taking revenge from JD McDonough, smashing McDonough with a steel chain. Shot takes out JD, and now the trash can. That's gonna be dangerous for JD. Oh, what a drop kick! The shotgun drop kick to JD, and now JD in big trouble. Nobody is here to save him. Not even Liv Morgan and Dirty Tom. Coup de grace. Cover by Balor. And a sweet victory for Balor. Incredible match with an incredible ending. What a match. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more. And now it's Jobber versus the Young OG in the hometown of the Young OG. Oh, what a knee strike by the Young OG. And now Javon Evans is looking to fly high. He takes out this Jobber with a clothesline. Javon Evans with all the momentum and total control in this match against this Jobber. And now Javon, the Young OG with the OG cutter. Subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible matches like this. Cover. Thanks Thanks for watching.